Mason Falcons started his golf career for the Rebels as a freshman. He played the number 3 spot on the team and helped the team win the district championship. His sophomore year, he improved to the number 1 spot on the team. He shot a 76 at the regional tournament and qualified for the TSSAA state championship. In his junior year on the Rebels golf team, he played the number 1 spot and held the team's lowest scoring average. In 2013, he won the district championship with a 1 over par 73. Mason was elected as team captain his senior year. He placed 3rd at regional championship with a 1 under par 71. He competed in the state tournament and ended with a 4 over par total of 148. He finished his high school career with 2 district championships and 2 appearances at the state championships. Mason's GPA is a 3.4 and his ACT score is a 28. He has enjoyed his time being a Franklin Rebel. He'd like to thank Coach Whipple for being so supportive of the golf program and his teammates for being great friends and competitors. He would also like to thank the United States Junior Golf Tour and the Tennessee Golf Association for doing such a fantastic job of organizing junior tournaments in Tennessee, as well as being great mentors to their junior golfers. Ladies and gentlemen, Mason Falcons, University of Tennessee at Martin. Congratulations, Mason.